Okay, first off, where is my Macintosh HD? Call me old-fashioned because I am. I'm like 10 years too late. Right click, right click. Damn it, I can't do right click. Can you increase the... Can I increase the size? I know people used to make their duck as like small as possible like that. So they just zoom in and it'd pop up. Oh, it doesn't even pop up anymore. Allowed to connect. Why would I not? We're doing it, we're doing it, we're doing it. Oh, this background. Oh my god. Dude, it should not be this friggin' hard. Okay, let's open up Safari. Take my mind off this. Change background. Ooh, I like this keyboard. iMac. No, macbook. Where did I put Mac OS X? There. Oh, we gotta go to the settings. Okay, wallpaper there. I'm stupid. No, regret. We got Big Sur, Big Sur, Big Sur. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. Iridescence. Ooh, these show off. Man, this thing's got a nice screen. Lion, shoes. Yes. App Store, Crap Store. I want to take a Crap Store. Yes, sure. We're doing it. GarageBand. Oh, it's already on here. Oh my god, I haven't used GarageBand in so long. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. Launchpad? What? Okay, that's different looking. Chess! Chess! Chesticles. Oh, that's still shiny. I hope they never changed that. Gotta write. Now I'm gonna get used to my commands. Command S. Save. GarageBand Mac OS X. And I'm gonna name this one Twinkie Winky Little Stinky. Tee-hee. Ooh. Why do you just go missing like that? Come on, quick time. Oh my god, where's Automator? Where's my robot man at? Ripping me off. Photo booth? Why can't y'all put the normal apps on the taskbar? Or the dock, fine, whatever. You just drag that up, right? You just drag that away? No, okay. Oh yeah, shoot, you have to drag to the trash can, right? I remember that! Show drives Mac OS X. Finder, settings, hard drives. Look at that, there's... Fuck, I forgot you can't close. Man, blow me. Okay, we got my Macintosh HD up here. What's on here? Got system applications. Okay, let's see how much I remember. Let's download Firefox Mac OS X. Okay. Help me, where do I go? Oh my god. Dude. I just want my goddamn Firefox. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Explore more add-ons. uBlock Origin. uBlock Origin, here, you get now. Sponsor block. Temper Monkey. Do it. You got it. Keep on going. You already did it. It's like it's knockoff. Bootleg Office apps. They got iMovie, right? iMovie. This is so confusing. Oh, so I have to do command. Start watching. You know, I got. Must authorize the computer. Oh my god, you still gotta authorize it?
I'll kill you!
I think that's enough of that. The stickies. It's getting sticky. It's getting sticky. Audacity Mac OS X. Oh, that is awful, man. Theme, classic. You call this classic? 3.1.3. You see, that's classic. Okay, what apps do I use? Minecraft. Download, please. Flurry. Sorry, I got this. The good one. This is the good one. Clock. There's a clock up there, for Christ's sake. Oh, is this? Oh, thank you. No, thank you, actually. Okay, is this what it's like on the Mac? Male genitals. Okay. Stop. Let's go back. Go back to you. I don't wanna go right back to us. Let me in. Oh, I forgot I did that. Ah, that's fun. Okay, this is actually. Oh god, this is smooth. Oh my god, what? This is so smooth. Holy hell. How do you place? I'm trying so hard. How do you? Two fingers. Man, I learned how to play freaking Xbox Minecraft faster than this. Roblox, Mac OS X. Configuring. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's different over here. This is like the Windows app, you know, the friggin' Microsoft store. No, I don't want this! Die! Well, wasn't that a fun first time Mac OS? Well, not really first time, but like first time modern Mac OS, like you would... New. I'm so good at words.